Hi guys, when it comes to the quant, there are three levels you can reach. Level number one, I'm going to do the solved examples. Yeah, I know all the formulas. I'm going to go through solved example. Very basic level. If you can ask me the question, I can solve. Otherwise, I can't solve. Then second level is I can do a practice level question. Yeah, like I can solve my CK ka red books. I can solve. I can't do very tough question, but a medium level question I can do kind of thing. Then come type 3 where I can do cat level questions as well. Obviously, a doable cat level question I can do. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Now, of course, you cannot complete the full syllabus in the quant section. Yeah, it's impossible to complete all the topics. But उतना करो कि जितना तुम ऐसा करो कि तुम्हारा नंबर वन दैट यू कैन क्लियर द कट ऑफ. Number two, go into the depth according to the topic. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the important topic we're going to do. So this is our syllabus for the next 1 month. We are launching our program at CK. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. We're going to cover up all this topic in the next 4 weeks. In case you want to join our 30 days to CAT program, you can just call us on the numbers given below, and my team will be more than happy to help you out with the program. So you can join us for the workshops, you can join us for the mocks, whichever program you want to join. Yeah, just call us on the numbers given here. All right, now how we're going to plan this thing? The most important syllabus is, I'll draw the line here. Okay, this is your main part. Now each of the topic listed here is important. Set theory, ratios. So these are the must do topics. मतलब if you will be पाप लगेगा, पाप अगर छोड़ा तो. अभी अंग्रेजी में बोला जाए sin, you will be sinned if you leave them. Set theory easy. Ratios, APGP, percentages, trigonometric conjugate. Trust me, it's very simple. We are going to use G strategy to solve all these questions. In case you want to join a program for G strategy, just call the numbers in the description box. Profit loss, function graph, modulus inequality, logs. This is your level 1. Yeah. Okay, so let's set the target server. If you're from the reserved category, only do the arithmetic part. Only pick up the arithmetic topic and you can clear the cutoffs. Yes. Just do this much because every year 25% of the CAT paper is arithmetic. Yeah. Because for quant section, you need only 4 questions correct for 60 percentile. For 75 percentile, I need 5 questions correct. You will be from the reserved category. You will be able to clear the most of the IM calls cutoff if you get only 75 percentile. So that's going to be your target. ठीक है, 5 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट, वो सिर्फ अर्थमेटिक से आ जाएगा. बट इफ यू कैन ऐड अर्थमेटिक एंड मॉडर्न मैथ्स, सो दिस आर द टॉपिक अप टू हेयर. टोटल 8 टॉपिक, you can easily touch 90 percentile. Okay, so that should be your target. Modern maths and arithmetic, ये 2 टॉपिक संभाल लो यार. I'll put a line here and you can easily get 85 to 90 percentile. फाइन, उसमें कितना डीप में जाना है दैट यू डिसाइड. फॉर एग्जांपल सर मॉड्यूलर फंक्शन मैं नहीं करने वाला. ओके, कैन यू एटलीस्ट डू द सॉल्व एग्जांपल लेवल? कैन यू डू एटलीस्ट सॉल्व एग्जांपल? यस, वो मैं कर सकता हूँ. हाँ, तो उतना करके जाओ. इजी क्वेश्चन आया तो हम करेंगे, भारी क्वेश्चन आ गया तो वी नॉट सॉल्व. ओके, सो दिस इज योर लेवल 1 टू गेट 85 to 90 percentile. It's more than sufficient. Trust me, these topics are more than sufficient for 90 percentile. Now come the level 2 where you want to reach 95 percentile. For 95 percentile, I have to touch geometry and numbers as well, especially the geometry part. Yeah, you can touch geometry and equations. If you add these 3 topics, you can touch 95 percentile aram se. And for 99 percentile, obviously you have to complete the syllabus. You have to do time, speed, distance, time and work, numbers. I'm keeping numbers in the end because number is the most complicated thing. Trust me यार, तुम बूढ़े हो जाओगे यार, numbers खत्म नहीं होगा. It's so deep. Okay, so I'm keeping out in the end. Topic which I'm ignoring here is PNC probability. ठीक है, वो मैं 2 टॉपिक निकाल रहा हूँ इसमें से. And even for geometry numbers, I'm keeping it extra because it's too deep यार, you can't complete that. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जितना भी हम लोग क्लास में कर पाएँ उतना करके जाएंगे. आगे का आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व. या सो इन केस यू जॉइन अ प्रोग्राम अगेन विद दैट देयर आर 3 लेवल. लेवल 1 I will only do the topic which are being done in the class. Bus. Whatever we are covering in the videos is more than sufficient in our marathons. Second is I'll do few more practice question. I'll open up the book, I'll complete the book, or level 3 I'll do all CAT papers. So how deep you want to go, you would decide, but I've given the order here. Your order of preference is very simple. Arithmetic, enough to score 70-75 percentile. Obviously depending on your accuracy, depending upon if you get your favorite college, favorite topics. Second is the modern maths. Yeah, all this topic, APGP, set theory, trigonometry, conic geometry, function graphs. For that you can touch 85 to 90 percentile. And I have to add geometry numbers, PNC probability, geometry numbers, equations to reach 95 percentile. And for 99 percentile, I have to complete, of course, the full syllabus. Yeah, so these are the most important topic from the quant point of view. Okay, so we got enough time. Trust me, we have 1 month का time. तो अभी से आप start हो जाओ. Identify your weak area and focus on that. In case you want to join a program, you are most welcome to join a program. And these are the cutoff. This is the net correct, not attempt. This is the net correct. Okay. 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. For that, of course, your attempt have to be little bit more than that. So like 10, 12, 14, 18, 20, 24, depending on your accuracy. Attempt you have to take it. I can't control your attempts. So this is a net correct based on the new pattern. Alright. All the best.